Factory Reset Video. This procedure will permanently erase all shade settings, causing remote control and all other commands to cease functioning. You must repair the remote and reset both the top stop position and bottom stop position before full functionality can be restored. Step 1. Hold down the motor settings button for 3 seconds until its motor will produce a brief single vibration. Step 2. Immediately press and hold again for 7 seconds until its motor will produce a brief single vibration. Your motor is factory reset, but you still need to finish setup before using your shades. Follow along with the video to complete the rest. Step 1. Press the group button on the remote control to select a control channel for the shade. Step 2. Hold down the motor settings button for 3 seconds until its motor will produce a brief single vibration. Step 3. Short press the setting button on the back of the remote control. The motor will produce a brief single vibration. Great! Your remote is paired and can control the shades, but we're not done yet. Keep following the video to finish setup. Step 1. Hold down the motor settings button for 3 seconds until its motor will produce a brief single vibration. Step 2. Simultaneously press and hold the left select channel button and the stop command button on the remote control for 3 seconds until its motor will produce a brief single vibration. Your shade direction is set right now. Hang in there. You're almost done. Just a few more steps to go. Keep following the video to finish setup. Step 1. Hold down both the front down button and back settings button for 3 seconds. Step 2. Within 3 minutes, press the down button to lower the shade to your perfect spot, then hit stop. Step 3. Short press the back settings button once to lock it in. Just one more step to go. Hang in there. Step 1. Hold down both the front down button and back settings button for 3 seconds. Step 2. Within 3 minutes, press the down button to lower the shade to your perfect spot, then hit stop. Step 3. Short press the back settings button once to lock it in. Awesome! You've completed the full factory reset. Now keep enjoying the convenience your smart shades bring to life. JaeJaes Smart Shade. Your light, your way, always.